Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look around Speedway motorcycles in Cannock. So as you can see, I'm at Speedway Motorcycles. I had to come here on an errand, so I thought I might do a video to show you around, show you what they've got. Speedway are a dealer for many different motorcycles, but they are now a dealer for Yamazaki. They are also a dealer for Lexmoto, Zonti, Sinis, Hanway, Keywave, Royal Alley, Madial, Lambretta, Benelli, Motorini, Hyungsung, Sim and AJS. So if you're in the area and you want a Chinese motorcycle, make sure you visit because they do some good deals on finance.
In the stories that we see, someone's waiting to be told. The acting encompasses the lane. We watch the scenes we live unfold. In the stories that we see, like someone's waiting to be told. The act encompasses the lane. We watch the scenes we live unfold.
So thank you for watching my video, and as you can see there's a lot of motorbikes here at Speedway in Cannock. So if you want to buy any Chinese motorcycle really, come here, give them a call, they're very friendly and they will help you out with finance if needed. Remember, hit that subscribe button to stay updated to all of my latest content. Hit the thumbs up if you liked this video, comment below if you didn't, and tell me how I can make my videos better in the future. But as always, ride safe.